Hey y'all! So here we are, Miss Lyric's classroom at home. Okay, we're gonna do this project. Okay, before we begin, let's go over our champs expectations. Let's see if I can get this right. Get my head in here. Hey everybody! Okay, so we are getting ready to do the Math Monster. We're going to make sure that our conversation level is a level 1. That's a whisper voice, so we don't disturb anyone else that's working at our classroom at home. The help, it says ask your table. You know, I don't have one that says ask your family. I need to make that. Our activity, we're going to do collage, which means we're going to cut paper and glue it. We're going to move around to get our supplies. We're going to complete our work and be successful. So, pardon me for whatever jiggling is about to happen, but there's our stool. This is my camera stand. So let me get it settled so I can start videoing. All right, here we go. All right, so your Math Monster. You can use whatever kind of colors, whatever kind of shapes you want, whatever kind of paper you want. Doesn't matter to me. If you don't, this is what my mother would call El Cheapo paper. If you don't have the cheap paper, you don't have any construction paper, use recycling materials. Use things out of packages. Use envelopes. Use anything your family allows you to cut up. Ask for permission so you don't ruin anything, okay? All right, let's see. I'm going to make a Math Monster, and I'm probably just going to make him kind of like the one my daughter Abby designed for me for an art club activity. So I'll just make, oops, sorry about that. Make the body. And if you don't have any scissors, you can tear it. All right, here's my Math Monster's body. You might have glue sticks at home. If you do, that's fantastic. Remember, you do not need to do this. Okay, that is way too much. You only need a teeny bit sticking out, right? Put some glue along the edge. Glue your body down. All right. Oh, what did I forget? Oh, I forgot my name. Don't forget to write your name. Don't write Math Monster. Write your name, okay? If you want to write your class code, that's fine. And then I'm gonna give them some, let's see, I think she had green arms. I'm pretty sure they looked like this. My art club kids could tell you if this is right. And if you want to look at YouTube and watch the art club video, you are welcome to do that too. It's long. Okay, now if you don't have glue sticks, but you have regular glue, this is a big old bottle, isn't it? Remember, you do not need to put a puddle here. You just need a few ladybug dots. I've got an art teacher friend that says dot, dot, not a lot. Okay. There's Mr. Math Monster. And if you have trouble like freehand drawing these things, or freehand cutting, I mean, you can draw on it. It's totally fine. I'm gonna remember the legs were orange. I'm gonna do some like this, I believe. Oh yeah, this is cute. Oh, I think they're too, I want them to be shorter. I think I prefer glue stick for this project. Oops, I just ripped it. It's okay. I probably should have waited to glue the body down. That's okay though. All right. And then, actually I think she made the hair orange and the legs yellow, so I'm gonna make the hair yellow. Alrighty. And I need a mouth. I think I'll do a pink mouth. I'm gonna make my math monster smiling. Now I'm gonna reuse some of my colors, so that'll make my math problem more interesting. So let me use some green. And let's see, I think I might want to make some circle eyes. Oh, I'm going to remind you guys of something too. Remember, we all learned this in kindergarten. If you had kindergarten with me, you remember this. How do I take a square? How do I turn it into a circle? I just cut off the corners, right? Okay. I need one more. And then I could use markers or whatever to make my monster's details. All right, there's one eye, 2, 3. Okay, should we put some teeth on there? I think we should. Definitely. Instead of doing these individually, I will cut these. No, I bet I should do individually. We'll give him some pointy teeth. This is my funny looking monster. Okay. And then I could keep going. I could keep adding details. Okay, but I think to make this video not be too long, I'll go ahead and start the math problem. Here's my math monster. What do you think so far? Okay, so I could do a couple things. I could list the colors. I could say, I've got a pink, one pink. I've got 2 oranges. I've got 4 yellow. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This was 1 piece, so that counts as 4 pieces. I've got, let's see how many green pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green pieces. Plus blue. 1 blue. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Let's see if I have that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So I could do this as a number sentence. I could say 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1. If you need to use your fingers, do it. Okay? I like to make tens. So I would say, 4 plus 1, that's 5, plus 5, that's 10, plus 2 is 12, 13. Let's see if I have 13. Let's see if that's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so that tells me every answer should be some form of 13 if I'm doing it by color. Okay, so this is for color. Okay, If I wanted to do it by size, I could say I have how many large pieces? I have one large piece. Wouldn't you agree that's large? Then I've got a few medium. I would say these would be our mediums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a lot of mediums. And this one you get to judge what's small and what's medium. And then how many smalls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have 6 smalls. All right, so that's pieces. How many do we have here? 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So this is by our size. And if you guys want to do a really hard one and you want to do say I want to do my, well, I guess this would only be really hard for our lower levels, but you know, 5th grade, you can get creative. You can try to find some fractions in here. You could do like, I have how many small plus medium minus large, and you could do a subtraction. So I could do small plus medium minus large. So what would that be? That would be 6 plus 6 minus 1, which would be 12. Okay, so you can also do it by color family. Let's say I want to do it by color family. Color family. You know I love some color families. So I've got warm and I've got cool. What are the warm colors? Think about sunshine. Red, orange, yellow. Does pink count in that? Absolutely, because pink is red plus white. So we've got one warm color. Here's some more. Here's some more. And here's some. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 warm plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cool. So cool is like the water, like ocean, blues, purples, greens. And what does that total again? 7 plus 6, our magic number of 13. Okay? So there is the Math Monster. Go have some fun, do some math.